Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial we are going to cut and sew a simple top for my 2-year-old. Now before we get started, in my previous video someone asked me to show her what 2 folds or 4 folds looks like. So this is it. Now this fabric is placed on 4 folds. The first one is on 2, the bottom one is on 2, as you can see. If you go over to the other edge, you have the opening there, 2 and 2, making it 4. So the upper part of this piece of fabric is going to be representing the front part, while the one underneath is going to be representing the back part of this top. So now to start with, we are going to draw our starting line. We are going to take all our measurements from the starting line. So on that starting line, you place your tape downwards to take your top length. In this case, I'm taking 15 inches. This 15 inches includes sewing allowance. Now on the start line, I went on to mark the shoulder measurement, which is 5 inches. Then the neck width measurement, which I took 2 inches. Shoulder measurement 5 inches, neck width I took 2 inches. Then for neck depth I'm taking 2.5 inches. So I'll just go ahead and connect the line like so. So we mark out 1/2 inch for shoulder slope and then go ahead and connect that back to the neck width measurement. So from that shoulder slope, I'm going to place my tape there and mark down inches 9 wards. That's going to be representing my armhole measurement, 5 inches downwards. I'll go ahead and connect the line. Then I'll place my tape back, divide the armhole measurement into 2, like so. Then mark out 1/2 inch from the inside. And then I'll go ahead to connect the line like so. And that's going to give me my armhole curve. So the next measurement is a chest measurement. In this case, I'm taking 6 inches. I went ahead to add 1 inch sewing allowance. Then for the bottom part of this top, I'm going to add 1 extra inch. So for the chest, we had 6 inches plus 1 inch, 7 inches. Now we are going to mark 8 inches for the bottom part of this dress. So 8 inches for the bottom part. That's with additional 1 inch. So I'll just go ahead and connect the line and cut it out. Now after cutting it, I'll go ahead and slit the back with 3 inches. That's for my button and loop. I'll just slit it open. You can make it shorter, you can make it longer. So I'm done. This is what it looks like. That's the back and this is the front. So the next thing is to go ahead and cut the piece of fabric for the ruffles. So for this ruffles, I'm going to take the width measurement to be 5 inches, as you can see. Then for the length measurement, I'm taking about 47 inches. You can make yours wider or longer. Now after that, you just go ahead and fold or hem the down part of the ruffles, and for the upper part you just go ahead and sew it and gather. Now I'm done with the hemming and gathering. So the next thing is to get the main piece of fabric, join the shoulder. I'm done joining the shoulder. This is what I have, so I'll just go ahead and turn it to the back. Now turning it to the back, I'll go ahead and pipe the slits first. And I'm also going to attach a button loop. Now this button loop, as you can see, I brought it down a little bit because the upper part I'm going to be using it to attach the ruffles. So now to attach the ruffles to the top, place the ruffles like so, with the front part of the ruffles facing this back part of the main piece of the fabric, just like so. Because after sewing, you will turn it back in or out. Place it like so. Then go ahead and sew out the 1/2 inch. Remember, I left about 1/2 inch allowance for the back slits or at the back slits. So I'm done sewing round. This is what I have. So I'll just go ahead and top stitch it round so the ruffles would stay properly. I'm done top stitching. This is what I have. So the next thing I'm going to do here is just to go ahead and pipe the armhole. So I'm done with piping the armhole. Now I'll just go ahead and turn it like so, with the front sides facing each other, and I'll sew the sides. So I'm done sewing the sides. The next thing to do is to go ahead and hem the bottom part of the top. Now I am done hemming the bottom part. This is the result. I hope this was helpful. If so, please drop a comment in the comment section, like, and also share this video for others to see. Thanks so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. See you in my next video.